Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel Unity Car. The 2025 Tata Nexon has adopted a bolder and more futuristic approach compared to its previous models. Its new facelift looks more aggressive and modern. The front features an entirely new grille, which comes in an exclusive shape with LED lights. This showcases Tata's advanced, impact design 2.0 feet language at its best. The LED DRL's daytime running lights are sharper and more stylish than before, giving the car a premium and high-tech look. The bumper has been given a sporty look with large air intakes. These not only enhance the design but also improve the car's aerodynamics. Additionally, an underbody protection skid plate is provided, which further highlights the SUV's toughness. Side profile and wheels. Looking at the side profile, it is evident that Tata has given the 2025 Nexon a unique floating roof design with a dual-tone finish and stunning crossover styling. The new model appears sportier than before, thanks to its glossy chrome finish and brand new 17-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels. These wheels are not only stylish but also ergonomically designed to improve the driving experience. A distinctive character line runs from the front to the rear, creating an impressive silhouette. This line not only adds a modern touch to the design but also enhances aerodynamics. Additionally, black cladding on the lower doors accentuates the SUV's rugged personality. Rear design. Now, let's talk about the rear design of the Tata Nexon, which is the most attractive part of this vehicle. At the back, you get new continuous LED taillights that connect both sides. This feature not only gives the Nexon a unique identity but also makes it more noticeable during night drives. The rear bumper has been widened and strengthened, featuring a dual-tone finish. It also includes a stylish sporty diffuser that enhances the car's aerodynamic performance. Additionally, the rear spoiler has been given a more aggressive look to make the vehicle appear even sportier. Aerodynamics and performance. In the 2025 Tata Nexon, special attention has been given to aerodynamic design. All its edges have been sharpened to improve airflow. Its flat underbody design helps reduce drag, resulting in a smoother drive and better fuel efficiency. From a performance perspective, the exterior of the Tata Nexon includes elements that improve driving stability. Its new aerodynamic wheel arches and front lip spoilers make the vehicle more controlled and balanced at high speeds. This not only helps in highway driving but also provides better grip during off-roading. Tata Nexon's history and evolution. Tata Nexon made its debut in 2017, and since then, it has become one of the most popular SUVs in India. Its unique crossover styling, premium build quality, and strong performance have made it a successful model. With each new version, Tata has made the Nexon smarter, more advanced, and better in design, and the 2025 model enhances all these features even further. The 2025 Tata Nexon's exterior has become a strong identity for this vehicle. Its aggressive front grille, modern LED lights, sporty side profile, and outstanding rear design make it a perfect SUV. Tata has given this model a design that not only meets the demands of the future but also impresses anyone looking for a stylish and modern SUV. Did you like the new design of the 2025 Tata Nexon? Let us know in the comments, and for more such videos, subscribe to Unity Car.